Okay, dear students, today we'll do exercise 5.3, question number 10, part number 1. So, in this question, what is given? Let us see. Show that A1, A2, AN form an AP where AN is defined as AN equals to 3 plus 4N. So, first of all, we have to define that the term, the series of which the nth term is 3 plus 4n, and that particular sequence, not series, I'm sorry, the sequence will form an AP or not. First we have to show this, and after that also it is given in the question that we have to find out the sum of first 15 terms. This also we have to find out. So, if an equal to 3 plus 4n, what we have to do in this question, we'll put, if I start doing it, so we'll put n equal to 1 first time, then n equal to 2, then n equal to 3, and so on, so that we can get the values of a1, a2 and an. So, if an is 3 plus 4n, so for n equal to 1. If I am putting here n1, so it will be a1. This implies a1 equal to 3 plus 4n. n means 1. So 4 into 1, this will be equal to 3 plus 4. That means 7. So what we have find that a1 is equal to 7. In the same way, if I put n equals to 2, so a2 will be, here put n equal to 2, then a2 will be 3 plus 4 into 2, 3 plus 8, that means 11. Now put n equal to 3, and in the same way what we get, so now put n equal to 3 here, so we'll get a3, and a3 will be 3 plus 4 into 3, that means 3 plus 12 and is equal to 15. So in this way we can find out the terms here, a1, a2, a3 and so on. Now let us see the list will be an AP or not. So list will be according to this what we have find out here, that is 7, then 11, then 15 and so on. So now you have to tell me that whether it is an AP or not. Just tell me first, is it an AP or not? For an
Yes.
AP we have to check out the common difference is there or not. The difference between these two terms and these two terms, if the difference is same for the consecutive terms, that means it is an AP, and we can see that easily. 11 minus 7 is 3. 15 minus 11 is 11 minus 7 is 4, sorry, and 15 minus 11 is again 4. So the difference is same, and that's why the difference is common, and that's why it forms an AP. So the required sequence will form an AP. Now after getting an AP, we have to find out the value of S15. For S15, we know that A is 7, B is 4, and now we have to find out S15. So we have a formula for that, and you all know that what is the formula for getting the value of S15. For that, we'll apply the formula Sn, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and for n we have to put here 15. So S15 will be equal to 15 by 2, 2a, a means 7, and 15 minus 1, d means 4, it is 4, and from here we'll get the value of Sn, and this will be equal to 15 by 2, 14 plus 14 fours up. We'll do it in the next step. So this will now equal to, I have to raise this.
Sorry.
So now S15 will be equal to 15 by 2, 14 plus 14 fours are 56, and this will be 15 by 2, 14 plus 56 will be 0 and 7, and this one will cancel out, and after multiplying it we'll get 15 fives are 75, 15 threes are 45, 45 plus 7, that is 52, and this will be the answer. So our answer for this question is 520.